What's up, one all Steve 2008 here. This is a unboxing video. I got these a while ago and I only opened them today, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video. So it is the Adidas Ultra Boost Mighty Ducks collaboration version. The specific model is Ultra Boost 1.0 Hawks UK size 9. In the box we have Hawks, Adidas, Mighty Ducks on top. Side 96, all Disney Adidas. Bottom Adidas. And Bombay Hawks. Not on the side. So the packaging is a little bit different. Got these off StockX. Quite nice. Nice color. The insole has Bombay triple deck E. Very nice looking. It's the same, except inside it says Adidas and Disney. Quite nice looking. And the amounts that I paid for it worked out to be $135. So whatever that is in euros, about maybe 110 euros. But very nice. Just quick unboxing. Using the 15 Pro Max as well to do the video. So thanks for watching. Later.